Hi, I'm Jorge. I am head of product here at Plixi, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Basecamp with your Todoist. So, for today's video, I have created this very simple setup in Basecamp where we have a walkthrough list with three test to-dos, test one, test two, and test three. And here we have a clean slate of a Todoist account, right? So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna come here to Plixi's website. I am gonna log in with my Todoist. Obviously, I already authorized it before, so it just jumps straight to it. Or else you would have to authorize a bit of give permissions to Plixi to read data. And let's jump straight to it. Let's create our first connection. Right now we have Basecamp and Basecamp 2. We're going to choose Basecamp. This is for legacy projects of Basecamp. So we're not going to use it for now. Or yeah, we're not going to use it at all in this video. And yeah, we're going to give Plixi permission. And here you can see that, okay, yeah, we have our dummy accounts connected. Here you can change your connector name in case you want to give it like a specific name. So for example, here would be video test or whatever we want to call it, right? And let's jump straight to it. So as I told you before, this is a dummy account. So yeah, this is the account we're going to use. I can go and say, I want to select a specific project, or I can just select any project. It's the same. And I can also select different lists. So for example, if I was going to select a Basecamp walkthrough, right, I would be able to select the lists that belong to Basecamp walkthrough, or else I would have to select all lists, right? So let's leave it like this. I can do two things. Right now, these to-dos are not assigned to anybody, right? So that's why it shows me 0 to-dos are found. If I were to go and change this to anyone, it's going to go and look for them and it's going to say, oh, okay, it found 3 to-dos, right? And now I can go and check the preview and yeah, it shows them. So cool. The way it showed them, it's because we have this little thing here. So we're saying that the tasks are going to be called project and title. In this case, the project, as we have here, is Basecamp walkthrough. I could go and I say, I could add, for example, to-do list. This is what I was looking for, right? And if I go here and I preview it, it's now going to show me, well, it's doing the changes, so it takes a couple seconds. And then it went and it did Basecamp walkthrough list, test 3, right? And you can modify the name for your convenience, however you want. Then here, right now, what we're saying is that the due date is only coming from Basecamp to Todoist. So if we want it to be both ways, we can go and check this option, change this option here, and it would sync it both ways. And yeah, if we want to add the description, let's say we do, and yeah, then this is how you want your items to be synced. Let's go and say, okay, let's save the changes. And now, as you can see, Plixi is loading some data. So let's give it a few seconds. So the way Plixi works is that we have 3 APIs, right? An API is the way an app communicates with each other. So we have Basecamp API, Plixi API, and Todoist API. So while that happens, it takes a few seconds, but as you can see, Basecamp, the 3 to-dos were created, and now if we go to Todoist, you will see them here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete this one here, and which one I completed? I completed the number 3, right? And here I'm going to complete 1. As you can see, then we are also going to give it a few seconds for it to sync. But Basically, this is how Plixie works, right? So we take the tasks from one place, we bring it to the other place, and then we sync your data between both. Each connection is a bit different, but yeah, as you can see, I was just trying to give it a bit of time. Now things to dos have been updated. So if I go to Todoist, I'm only seeing test 2 here. And if I go to Basecamp, again, we need a bit of time for it to be completed. But you will see in a bit. Let's refresh this. Boom, there you go, it's completed. So yeah, basically that's how the connection works. I hope this is useful for you, and I hope to see you around. Thank you very much.